Welcome, in front of me I have ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I will show you how easy you can install iPhone keyboard on this smartphone. So we have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool, and we have to type green Apple keyboard. Let's install. Right now we can open that application. Click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK, then just go back, tap to switch input methods and switch to English United States green Apple keyboard, and then tap finish. And right now, when we are going to use our keyboard, for example in the messages, as you can see, the theme of our keyboard has changed and it looks very close to the iOS theme. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.